If you want to change around the notification options inside of Microsoft Outlook, then you need to go around onto the View menu and then go to View Settings right here. So once you go around over here under the general settings, you can see that notification is an option. And here you get the notification for different purposes, as you can see. For example, here you can get notification from Outlook and other apps, and you can turn this on or off altogether, as you can see. And you can allow notification to play sound, or you can disable the sound altogether. And you can even send notifications when Outlook is not opened from the background, as you can see right here. So you can go around and turn this on and off according to how you want. So you can notify you about new mail. So if there's any new mail, then you can have a desktop notification or no notification, and only have notification from favorite people as well. So this is what you can do, and you can also have calendar notifications right here, which can be a reminder notification, a desktop notification where it actually reminds you, and so forth right here. And also for the documents, you can go around and then enable and disable the notification for the comments and mentions that you have in particular documents, that is Office 365 documents. So you can go around and turn all of these on or off according to how you like right here, and then work around with the notification. Hit the save button, and then you get the notification accordingly right here. So that is how you can work around with notification options inside of Microsoft Outlook. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.